In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust untracked inventory on Xero. If you've been selling an item in Xero without tracking stock on hand and now need your quantities to reflect what's actually sitting on the shelf, this walkthrough is for you. We'll switch the item to a tracked inventory product and then post a one-off quantity adjustment so your records match reality. You'll need access to the products and services area in Xero and the item already set up. Start on your Xero dashboard and open the sales menu. From there, go to products and services, which is the list of all the items you buy or sell. Find the product you want to fix and open it. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to get to it quickly so you're working on the right item. With the item page open, choose Edit Item. In the Edit window, turn on Track Inventory Item. This tells Xero to begin maintaining an on-hand balance and cost for this product going forward. Converting the item to tracked is essential. Otherwise, Xero won't let you adjust quantities or keep a running balance. When you're ready, click Save to apply the change. You'll land back on the item screen. Now, click New Adjustment to record the stock you're bringing in. In the field labeled Increase Quantity By, enter the number of units you're adding to on hand. Think of this as the difference between what Xero shows and what your latest count confirms. Double check the unit of measure, so the quantity reflects how you actually stock and sell the item. Next, choose the adjustment account. This is the account that will capture the value of the adjustment. For example, an inventory, adjustments, or shrinkage account, depending on your accounting policy. If you're unsure which account to use, check the options your organization has set up or confirm with your advisor. In the reference box, add a clear note, such as the reason for the change or the date of the stock count. Good references make it easier to audit changes later and help teammates understand why the quantity moved. Click Next to review what you've entered. Take a moment to ensure the item, the quantity, and the adjustment count are correct. When everything looks right, click Post Adjustment. Xero will update the on-hand quantity for this item immediately and record the corresponding accounting entry using the adjustment account you selected. This affects the item's quantity and, where applicable, the inventory value, but it doesn't change past sales or purchases. It simply brings your records up to date. That's it. Your formerly untracked item is now a tracked inventory product with an accurate quantity. If you have more products to fix, repeat these steps for each one so your stock levels and reports stay reliable. Regularly, reconciling physical counts with Xero using this method helps prevent stockouts and surprises.